When we think of Christmas decor, many of us imagine the warmth of traditional settings, rich reds, greens, and glittering golds. However, there's a unique charm in embracing a minimalist, cozy aesthetic, and that's where Scandinavian Christmas decor comes in. Inspired by the beauty of the Nordic landscape, modern Scandinavian Christmas decor combines simple design elements, natural materials, and a muted color palette to create a serene, inviting atmosphere. It's all about focusing on what truly matters, allowing simplicity and warmth to take center stage. So, if you're looking to create a more understated yet elegant holiday vibe, let's dive into how you can bring the beauty of Scandinavian style into your home this Christmas season. One of the defining characteristics of modern Scandinavian Christmas decor is the use of a minimalist color palette. Traditional reds and greens take a step back in favor of soft, neutral tones. Think whites, soft grays, cool blues, and even warm wood tones that evoke a sense of calm and simplicity. This pared-down palette not only brings an air of tranquility to your space, but also creates a perfect backdrop for the rest of your holiday decorations. The beauty of minimalist color choices lies in their versatility. You can effortlessly add accents with metallic touches like brass, silver, or gold to create an elegant yet understated feel. These subtle pops of metallics are ideal for bringing a sense of luxury to your decor without overpowering the simplicity of the design. Another hallmark of Scandinavian Christmas color schemes is the use of natural textures, which play a huge role in reinforcing the minimalism of the look. Think natural wood, linen fabrics, and stoneware. These earthy materials, when paired with the soft color palette, give your home a grounded and welcoming feel, perfect for the cozy holiday season. Instead of clashing colors, Scandinavian style focuses on creating a harmonious flow in the room, allowing each piece of decor to shine individually without competing with one another. The key here is subtlety, opting for understated beauty that leaves an impression through simplicity. If these modern Scandinavian Christmas decor ideas inspired you to bring some sleek and minimalist charm into your holiday, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love simple yet stylish festive designs. One of the most defining aspects of Scandinavian design, not just for the holiday season but year-round, is the emphasis on natural materials. In modern Scandinavian Christmas decor, this translates into an abundance of natural elements like wood, fir, wool, pine branches, and stone. These materials create a warm, earthy ambience, bringing a sense of nature into the heart of your home. Wreaths and garlands made from fresh pine or spruce branches are a must-have in Scandinavian-style Christmas decor. These natural elements not only evoke the feeling of a winter wonderland but also contribute to a sustainable, eco-friendly approach to decorating. Try pairing your greenery with twinkling lights or hanging them in minimalist vases to create a simple yet stunning display. Wooden decorations, such as handcrafted stars or reindeer, are another staple in Scandinavian Christmas design. The grain and texture of wood add warmth and authenticity to the decor. Look for wooden ornaments, candle holders, or even driftwood trees to bring an organic touch to your space. Sustainability is key in Scandinavian style, so consider opting for reusable decor pieces, such as linen table runners, fabric stockings, and handmade ornaments. Not only does this approach help reduce waste, but it also supports a more mindful, eco-conscious holiday season. Which Scandinavian-inspired decor idea are you most excited to incorporate into your holiday home? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're creating a cozy, modern Christmas. When you think of Scandinavian design, you likely imagine cozy, inviting spaces. This is especially important in Christmas decor, where comfort and warmth play a big role in creating a festive atmosphere. Scandinavian Christmas design excels at making your space feel snug without sacrificing style. Textiles such as knitted throws, woolen blankets, and fur rugs instantly add a sense of coziness to any room. Draping a soft throw over a chair or sofa will immediately evoke the feeling of warmth, perfect for snuggling up during the colder months. Choose natural fibers like wool and linen for a look that is both stylish and sustainable. For your Christmas tree, consider using cloth ribbons or woolen garlands instead of tinsel. These soft materials complement the serene, understated aesthetic of Scandinavian decor and can easily be swapped out year after year without worrying about being too flashy. Wooden tree ornaments, woven baskets, and even ceramic accents work wonderfully to maintain the calm, minimalist vibe. Don't forget about your fireplace. For a true Scandinavian touch, hang a simple linen or woolen stocking, or opt for a neutral-toned garland that drapes along the mantel. This creates a cozy focal point for your living room, enhancing the warmth of the season. For more stylish and minimalistic holiday decorating tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Christmas design videos. In Scandinavian homes, lighting is everything, especially during the long, dark winter months. Creating a soft, warm glow is a key component of Scandinavian Christmas decor. String lights, battery-operated candles, and lanterns are all essential elements in bringing the ambience of the season to life. For a modern take on traditional Christmas lights, try using clear glass or ceramic lanterns placed around your home. These lanterns, whether on tables, shelves, or windowsills, cast a soft, inviting light that enhances the calming aesthetic of Scandinavian style. Additionally, battery-powered fairy lights are perfect for creating a twinkling effect on garlands, wreaths, and trees. Candles also play a central role in Scandinavian decor. Whether it's a simple candle holder or a cluster of pillar candles on a dining table, the glow of candlelight adds a touch of magic to your space. Don't be afraid to layer different types of candles to create a soft, layered light effect throughout your home. Use natural candle holders made from wood, ceramic, or metal to keep the design cohesive with the rest of your decor. If you have a fireplace, be sure to light it up for the ultimate cozy atmosphere. The flicker of real flame combined with the gentle glow of candles will transform your home into a haven of warmth. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more ideas on how to achieve a modern, Scandinavian look, including wreaths, ornaments, and table settings that bring a touch of Nordic charm to your home. The beauty of Scandinavian Christmas decor lies in its ability to blend minimalism with coziness, creating an atmosphere that feels both calming and festive. The design is about embracing simplicity, drawing inspiration from nature, and creating a space that invites relaxation and warmth. Whether it's through the use of natural materials, minimalist color schemes, or cozy textiles, each detail serves to enhance the peaceful ambience that is so characteristic of Nordic design. This holiday season, let Scandinavian style transform your home into a serene winter retreat, one where every element, from your tree to your mantel, feels thoughtfully curated. The understated elegance of this aesthetic doesn't just fill your home with beauty, it invites you to slow down and truly enjoy the season. Want to recreate these Scandinavian Christmas looks? Head to the description for links to the products and materials featured in today's video. With its combination of soft hues, sustainable materials, and cozy textures, Scandinavian Christmas decor offers a refreshing alternative to traditional holiday decorating. Ultimately, the goal of Scandinavian Christmas decor is to create an environment where you can truly unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of the season. So, embrace the beauty of minimalism and nature, and let your home shine with the subtle elegance of Scandinavian design. As you embrace the simplicity and elegance of Scandinavian Christmas decor, remember that the essence of this style is found in its subtlety and restraint. It's about creating a space that feels effortlessly beautiful and serene, where each decoration has a purpose and a place. The calmness that this style fosters is a perfect antidote to the often busy and overstimulating holiday season. By focusing on natural materials, earthy tones, and a less is more approach, Scandinavian Christmas decor offers a timeless aesthetic that can be enjoyed year after year. It's a design choice that doesn't overwhelm the senses but instead invites you to appreciate the beauty of the season in a more mindful way. The charm of Scandinavian Christmas decor lies in its ability to evoke the peacefulness of snowy landscapes and cozy winter nights spent by the fire. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes comfort, warmth, and the simple joys of the season, making it perfect for anyone looking to create a tranquil and inviting home during the holidays. With every element, from the carefully chosen color palette to the soft glow of candles, you can transform your space into a winter wonderland that feels both luxurious and grounded. So this Christmas, let the understated elegance of Scandinavian design fill your home with warmth and beauty.